Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making ice cream cake because it is my birthday. Also, don't look behind me, we just moved and I haven't unpacked, but we did get our Christmas tree, so you know, priorities. Now we need Oreos. 5. Okay, I was gonna double the Oreos, but I didn't get enough Oreos, so we're gonna use this for both of them. So I did 25, and we need to smash these somehow, but I don't know how to smash it. Smash it with a hammer! I guess I'm just gonna use this, because I literally have nothing right now, kitchen-wise. No air in the bag.
I have a big smashing technique.
Jeez, that was loud. Look at it, you shot.
No.
You shot Oreos through the butt.
Very effective methodology here. Who said batteries are only good for round 2?
Now we're gonna mix half of this butter that I didn't measure out in with the Oreos. And flatten into a crust. I wish I would have had double the Oreo, but I did not plan very well. Plus this is not very crumbled, very good. Okay, now we're gonna freeze this for a half hour. Has a million freeze steps. So, like, do it in advance. Ooh, that works pretty good. By George, I think we got it. Use your hot fudge jar and smash in the container. Nice and crumbly. And you save all your Ziplocs. Genius. Now we're gonna put hot fudge on it. A beautiful hot fudge. We're gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds so we can get it out of there. Stop with the tippy tappies. I guess I need a spin. And spread it on like butter on a biscuit. Okay, we're gonna freeze this again for 30 more minutes. Okay, next layer, ice cream. This one we're doing black cherry because I'm doing like a, hey, zip it, dude. Like a black forest, and I love chocolate and fruit, so that's what we're gonna do. I might have eaten a little bit of the ice cream. Okay, we're gonna cut this, so then we're just gonna do like strips. Probably all you can hear is my dog's toes. And Jacob's loudness. I'm gonna do like a somewhat thin layer because I wanna do another layer. Ooh, my hands are freezing. Okay, goodie. I used like half the thing of ice cream. Put it in the freezer for an hour. The other one I'm doing is chocolate chip cookie dough. I crushed up Oreos, the rest of the Oreos, half of the rest of the Oreos, and I got some fudge, and I'm gonna put it in here. Dude, shut up! It's impossible to record with you. I also microwave this too, so it will come out. And then also we're gonna mix in Cocoa Krispies. But I have 2 bowls because I have 2 cakes. then we're gonna add half of these. And stir. Making like a crunch topping.
I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9 to 5. And I've been working after work since last September. Working after work, yeah. I stay up late on the weekdays. I never tell when we say.
Okay, now we're gonna freeze this for 30 more minutes.
Look back and wish I could have been. I've never got no regret. The hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a bonus, please. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never wanna look back. Take a chance on faith. Take a chance on faith.
Okay, I'm gonna cut a little piece of this ice cream cake and see what it looks like. What is it gonna look like? What's it gonna look like? Is it gonna be layered or not? Man, how do I get this out of here? Well, it was layered until I messed it up. Ah! Ooh, yeah. Bye.